welcome back to another one of these unboxing videos where I bought into one of the Ipsy deals of the day a while back. I will be honest, I bought it mostly for one item and everything else was a nice additional surprise on top of it. But yeah, given the whole box cost less than that one product generally costs, and given how much of mine that I already have of it I've gone through, I was like, I know damn well I'm gonna buy another of this anyway. And there's one right here. It's going to cost me less to buy it than if I bought it at the store. Just saying. Just saying. So, this is all skincare stuff. The item in question, unsurprisingly, is my Pixie by Petra Skin Treats Glow Mist that I incidentally got from Ipsy the first time around too last summer, and initially I thought was going to be useless, and then it became one of my most favorite things in the entire world. Now I have a backup of it, so when I use that up, I have another. Not that I couldn't just go down to CVS and buy another, but hey, make it easy for me. So, this next thing I'm probably going to give to my mom, but it's by Avete, and it's the Water Flash Coconut Water Cream. It's hydration boosting. It's just a little thing, so I don't mind trading her for it. This, I don't really know what exactly you do with it. I'm gonna have to look it up. It's by Hanale, which I think I have a lip product from them somewhere. And this is a papaya enzyme powder face cleanser. It's like a fairly big one too. The directions are: step 1, open packet on the hairline. Step 2, pour a pea-sized amount of the cleanser into your hand. Step 3, add water and rub hands to create a foamy lather. Step 4, apply cleanser to face. Step 5, rinse off with warm water. Do not ingest. Oh shit. I'm like, I've never heard of a cleanser being in powder form before. I'm hoping it doesn't contain any talc. Let's see. Cornstarch, sodium, coke oil, isethionate, sodium lauryl glutamate, Morinda citrifolia, fruit extract, aloe, barbadensis, leaf juice, papain, grapefruit seed extract, pollen extract. Oh, I hope it doesn't give me allergies. Holy shit. Allantoin, hydrolyzed collagen, betaine, opuntia ficus indica extract, sorbitol, isopropyl palmitate, ascorbyl palmitate, titanium dioxide, citric acid, disodium EDTA. No talc. Good. Good, good, good. Alright, then we have, by the brand Reika, it is a turmeric peel-off mask. It's so tiny, there's probably only about enough for like one use out of this, but that's okay. I will still enjoy getting to try this out. Because I know turmeric is super good for you and good for your skin, so always nice. This I actually have the little tube size of, but so I'm very happy to get this nice full-size one of it. It's by Feel Harmony. It is the Rose Peel Facial Mask, Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. However, I peeked into it because I wanted to smell it. I'm a little put off by the appearance, but I assume it's fine? I was like, this is rose petals? Guys, is it supposed to look like this? I'm a little alarmed. More than a little alarmed right now. Should it be brown like that? Please let me know. I mean, the roses I smell through the packaging, it smells really good, but I'm like, holy shit, it's really brown. It didn't, like, go bad, did it? Hope not. I haven't used my tiny little tube one yet, so I don't know if it looks like that too, but, yeah, I may need to, like, Google that one, because I am super alarmed at that appearance. I was expecting this beautiful pink, or red, or yellow, or something that's a rose color in there. More likely pink because of the packaging, and then I open it and it's fucking brown and looks like something out of a toilet, and I was like, guys, is it supposed to look like that? Because, totally not what I was expecting, but, okay. Okay, I know that rose petals do go brown, so it's possible it's just supposed to look like that, but holy shit. I think my sister actually got one of these from Ipsy as well. I should ask her if hers looks like that too, because I am so alarmed by that. And then finally, the last thing in here is by Skin Iceland, which I feel like I got something from in like my very first ever Ipsy bag. Didn't I get like that? Was it like a red algae lip treatment or something from them once? Solutions for stressed skin. Arctic Hydration Rubberizing Mask with Vitamin C. And it looks hella weird on the front of it. Like, can we look at this picture here? Obviously, it's not going to do that to your skin. She's pulling it off away from her skin like that. But I'm like, what the hell? Back-to-back conference calls. Late night for... Beyond late for carpool. Non-stop schedule is sucking the life out of my lackluster skin. Binge watched till 3 a.m. Slept through spin class. And dull and dehydrated doesn't even begin to describe the sad state of my complexion. Need an instant burst of hydration to bring my tired, stressed skin back to life. Okay, it's like you stressed me out just reading that, but point taken. This is weird because it feels almost like a little styrofoam thing that it's in, but it has packets that are inside of it to make the mask, evidently. I don't know if this is like a single-use thing or not. I mean, it seems kind of big for one use. Again, I'll have to look into that. But yeah, that's what I got in this deal of the day box that I thought was really cool, and for the low price that I got it for, I believe I paid maybe like 14, 15, at most 16 bucks, because generally they go beyond that. There has to be something real freaking good in it to make it worth my while. So I know damn well it wouldn't have been more than 16 or I wouldn't have bothered. Usually I see this go for about 20, so I was like, you know, I'm paying less for all this stuff than I would just for the glow mist itself. So I can justify it because I was already planning on buying more of that anyway. So, anyways, that is it from me for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.